Good evening, everyone. We are installing a new battery on a 2017 HP 255 G7. The problem with these is that the batteries die. And this computer was actually given to me because my wife's sister-in-law's apartment got abandoned and she didn't want it. And they said it didn't work. It works, but the original battery was dead. So what you really need to do is that you need to take this back panel off first. You would have, screws here. Then you got to take these little strips off, and you got screws behind here on both sides. Take one of these prior tools, like one of these, pry it loose, take it off, and this is where the battery is. Now, the symptoms with this is that the battery, when not charged, the computer has to be constantly plugged in. So, I had to buy a new charger for it. I am going to be selling this because somebody wants it. I don't want it because it's too old for me. But I had to buy a new plug because I didn't have one. And the battery's pretty simple. What you got to do is, once you get everything off, you have screws. You got 1, you got 2, and 3. It has arrows stating that there is 4 more screws, but there was no holes. Well, there is holes, but none of these need screws here. I'm assuming the battery was dead, but when I really looked at it, this wasn't even pushed in all the way. It could be a problem. So, we're going to go ahead and fix it anyway. This is an aftermarket battery, and put it in the same way you took it out. You want to be sure it lines up with these pins. Slide it in. And you want to take your screwdriver. It's better when it's magnetized. And just be sure they're tightened up very well, because you don't want any problems. And please be aware, when you take the old one out, the labels on the back will be facing up, not upside down. Make sure you keep your screws separate, so you know which one goes in the right hole. But on this particular model, they're all the same size, but it's best because of threading. Double check. No screws go anywhere else. Just in case y'all were wondering, this computer comes with 4 GB of RAM. You can add another slot of RAM if you want to, and it does have an additional slot for an extra hard drive, like a SSD, what I would recommend. This one came with a mechanical 500 gig, but just so we're in here and doing this, I thought I would show you that yes, you can put in another hard drive and a secondary slot of RAM. This thing is actually pretty clean. I don't see any other defects in this system at all. And basically that's how you install a battery in one of these. So now what you want to do, inspect your fans and everything, make sure there's no dust and dirt in there, which everything looks fine. You take this panel, put it back on, same exact way. You took it off. I think it goes this way because it was upside down. Yeah, it goes like this. I have it upside down. Just make sure everything's good, and then you start screwing it back together. Once you get it all in there, start putting your screws in. at least on one side at a time. Okay, once you get everything back together, just be aware when you do take this back piece off, for some apparent reason, the holes that's on this hole from this right hand corner underneath the seal, and this middle one here is normally a problem. Screws don't want to come out, and sometimes when they do, these little things break off. I don't think this thing's ever been apart, to be honest. But we got everything fixed. Everything's ready to go. And we will be testing it with the new plug. Make sure everything goes well. And if it does, we will start cleaning it up. Alright, we plugged it up. Orange light is on. And as you can see, it is now starting to charge. That's basically how you replace the battery on a 2017 HP 255 G17. As you can see, it was already 49% charged. I hope y'all have a great one. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and subscribe and hit that like button. Alright, y'all have a great one.